Let us start Unit 1. Unit 1 is, the name of the chapter is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Okay, so Unit 1 is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Now in this chapter, we are going to revise most of the things which you have already done in your previous classes. Okay, that is why the name of the chapter is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Okay, let us first discuss the definition of chemistry. What is chemistry? How will you define chemistry? Chemistry may be defined as the branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its composition, its properties, and the changes which it undergoes in composition as well as in energy during various processes or transformation. Chemistry is a very vast subject, okay, and therefore, in order to simplify, the subject has been classified, the subject has been divided into many branches depending upon the specialized fields of study. Okay? For example, number 1, inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry. Now the inorganic chemistry deals with the study of compounds of all other elements except carbon. Okay? Second, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry deals with the study of carbon compounds. Then we have physical chemistry. Physical chemistry deals with the explanation of the fundamental principles involved in the various chemical phenomena. Okay? Then we have nuclear chemistry. Now nuclear chemistry deals with the study of nuclear reaction such as nuclear fusion, nuclear fission, transmutation, etc. Then we have biochemistry. This branch deals with the chemical changes going on in the bodies of living organisms such as plants and animals. Then we have industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry deals with the chemistry involved in the industrial processes. Then we have analytical chemistry. Now analytical chemistry deals with the qualitative and quantitative analysis of various substances. Similarly, we have other branches of chemistry such as agriculture chemistry. Now agriculture chemistry deals with the study. Agriculture chemistry deals with the chemistry involved in agriculture. Similarly, we have medicinal chemistry, chemistry involved in the medicine. Then we have pharmaceutical chemistry. Then we have solid state chemistry, and so on. Now let us discuss the importance of chemistry or scope of chemistry. Well, chemistry plays a very, very important role in our life. In fact, we cannot imagine our life without chemistry. Okay? Everything around us are made up of chemical substances only. Okay? Even our emotions, our feelings, hate, anger, everything is controlled by chemical substances only. It is therefore not possible to list the importance of chemistry. However, we can discuss the applications of chemistry in some fields. First of all, chemistry in agriculture. You know, the chemistry is applied in the field of agriculture. Most of the fertilizers like urea, ammonium sulfate, calcium nitrate, etc. are the chemicals which are used for the better production of crops. Then in order to protect the such as DDT, Gamexine, etc. Now these are all the chemical substances. Similarly, we have to use preservatives like sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate, salicylic acid for better preservation of food and check its wastage. Similarly, we have chemistry in medicine. All the medicines are nothing but the chemical substances. Okay. Now you know that the medicines have done a lot to eradicate diseases and to improve health. The average life expectancy of the human being has increased due to the use of medicines, which are nothing but the chemicals. Many of the life-saving drugs like Taxol, cisplatin, etc. are the important chemicals. Okay. Similarly, antipyretics, analgesics, disinfectants, antibiotics, tranquilizers, synthetic vitamins, tonics, etc. These are all chemical substances. Then we have chemistry in industry. Chemistry also plays a very important role in almost all industrial processes. Okay? The important examples and manufacture are, some of the important examples are synthetic fiber like rayon, nylon, dacron, orlon, etc. Then we have cement, glass, ceramics, extraction of metals like gold, silver, etc. Then plastics like bakelite, Teflon, polythene, etc. Then chemistry is also applied in case of energy resources. So the energy resources of the world are petroleum, coal, wood and nuclear fuels. You know that the reserves of coal and petroleum are being exhausted at a very fast speed, and therefore the attempts have been made by chemists to utilize the nuclear chemistry, the solar energy and the hydrogen from seawater, which will provide the alternative source of energy later on. Similarly, chemistry in comfort and pleasure. You know that in every walk of life, the chemistry has been the pioneer contributor. Now, the domestic requirements such as paper, fabrics, soaps, cosmetics, oils, the dyes, perfumes, toothpaste, all these things are basically made up of chemical substances. Similarly, air conditioning, to make our life comfortable, we use air conditioners, and in air conditioner we have to use the chemical substances like liquid ammonia, liquid sulfur dioxide, etc. In fact, everything which we use are basically made up of chemical substances only. You know that our food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, lipids, vitamins, minerals, etc. These are all chemical substances. Okay. Similarly, all our clothes. Okay, whether it is a terracotta, whether it is a kaolin, whether it is a dacron, polymer, even the natural cotton are basically the chemical substances. Similarly, you know that in order to clean our body, we have to use so many different chemicals like soaps, then we have perfume, toothpaste, shaving cream, etc. These are all chemical substances. Similarly, if you look at if you see the articles in kitchen, you will see that all the articles in the kitchen are made up of chemical substances. And therefore we can say that the chemistry and the chemical substances play a very, very important role in our life. Even our emotions are also controlled by chemicals only.